The Forest Technology Program is a 2-year diploma. Graduates from the program are eligible to receive a professional designation in the province of Alberta, as well as several other provinces, to work in the forest industry or for government. You could have roles in timber harvest planning or harvest operations supervision, or you could be looking after a wildfire suppression crew. You could be doing silviculture work, you could be doing construction and reclamation work. The roles are fairly unlimited. In our fall semester, about 70% of our program is hands-on in the field. We're going to be doing some plant identification, we're going to be doing soils, we're going to be looking at silviculture activities, so the regrowth of the forest. We're going to be doing some engineering, looking at crossings and roads. We cover a lot of different things while we're out there. At NAIT, I like the sense of community that comes. We try to keep our classes smaller. Our program, we only have 54 students coming in every year. You get to have a lot of one-on-one time with the instructor, and it really benefits the student. Our students come out of the program work ready. If you're looking for a change in your life, try NAIT. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or you're 50. If you're looking for a change, take that step.